how to believe our thoughts create, and how to believe on manifesting. That's what we are going to discuss today, and I will give you some tips that will help you to build up your belief rock solid. So let's dive into our video today. And just to remind, there are few days left to enter in the competition of free giveaway of coaching with me. I will pick up 3 people from the comment section below. All you have to do, subscribe my channel, like my channel, and add comment in my section, in my comment section below. So I can pick 3 people, and I will decide the result at the end of this month. So this competition is for all the videos I did in the month of October. Hi everyone, it's me Rifat here from Life for Choice channel, and today we are going to talk about how to build a belief and how we know and how we believe that our thoughts create. So I will start, I think, from myself, how I did it, so it will help you to build up your belief as well. So I have a belief that I am good enough to have and whatever I want and desire in my life. Whenever I have a time, I keep telling myself, I am good enough to have it all. I am good enough to have whatever I want and desire in my life. Then I believe that our thoughts create, and I believe that everyone is you pushed out. I am NLP practitioner, I'm certified life and success coach, and I am scientist as well. I have a deep interest in human psychology. I have read hundreds of books on the subconscious mind and how our thoughts work and create. So I realized in a past few years while working on all these areas of our life that we human beings, we develop certain beliefs. We unconsciously we develop them from our society, from media, from parents, from friends, and some of them they go against us. So when we notice about them, when we start noticing about them, then it becomes easy for us to change. And when we change our belief for the good, then our outer circumstances start to change. So I would like you to make a list of things. Start from the small. In the morning when you wake up, then make a list of things. For example, I would like to have free parking today, or I would like to see all green lights in a traffic light today, or I would like to see 3 blue cars, or I would like to see the model of the car, for example. Okay, I had one example. Few years, I think 2-3 years before, I really like a Range Rover. The new model of Range Rover Evoque came, and I saw one red Range Rover, and I started thinking, oh, I would like to see white Range Rover. So today, so I was driving and I saw one Range Rover. Then after a few miles, I saw another one. Then when I parked the car, I saw another white one. So I saw 3 white Range Rover in the same day. And often I see a white Range Rover because I was focusing on, because that's the thought I had about car. So you can create a list of things that you want to see in today, and then you will believe, yes, I have created it. This is my manifestation. And recently I manifested a full rainbow. I always wanted to see full arc of rainbow, and whenever I see a rainbow, I see like a small portion of rainbow and didn't see full rainbow. So I was thinking the other day, I would love to see a full rainbow. So last week I was coming back home, and I just by chance I looked back, and it was cloudy day and it was rainy, and I saw full rainbow, full arc of rainbow, and I make a little video as well, so that's why I'm going to add. So these are the little manifestation. Write down in your notebook, and then it help you to build up the belief, and you can remind yourself your thoughts create. And another one, the other day I have a little manifestation. It's not big, but I wanted to do it. I wanted to play with my thoughts. I want butterflies. I noticed the butterflies come in my garden. They just flew around the flowers and then just go away. I thought, I want butterflies come and sit on the flower, stay there unless I go out and make their little video. So that was my manifestation. And one day there was really windy out there, and I saw the two butterflies, and they're really sweet. They're like cute butterflies, and they come and they sit on the flower, and they're really enjoying flower. They're sticking around it and they're fluttering their wings, but they did not flew away. I thought, okay, that is a good time. I will go out and make their video. And I did make a video. I will add the clip as well. So that was my manifestation of butterflies staying on my flower. So you can create little things for you to have a fun with. So make you can write, I intend to have a free coffee today, and manifest a free cup of coffee. Then you can do like on your co-worker, what you want your co-workers or colleagues to wear. For example, intend to wear 3-4 people wearing yellow tops today, or something fun, like just something fun you can create for yourself. So when you do the small manifestation, then you build up a belief. Yes, my thoughts creating, and when I focus on them, then they create. And another thing is, you can make a separate list. I call it my manifestation book. So this cute book, I keep it for my manifestation list. So I wrote in the 2020 manifestation list, 2019 one. So I have like a lot of few small stories I have in my book. So one of the story is like I set intention to sell my car. I was looking to sell my car, I think a year ago, and I show my car to one of the garage people. And they say that, oh, the price you're asking, I'm not sure you're going to get it, because this car is 2010 model and you're not gonna get the much money you are asking for. But I believe my car is really low mileage and it's a lovely car, and anyone would love to have this car. So anyway, I advertised my car, and I wrote down the price in my book which I wanted to receive. And on a Saturday, I gone out, I took my car out and have a good wash. So I know that my car is going to sell today. I don't know, that I was feeling in my gut that this car is going to sell today. So I had a good wash, car is ready, nice and new, and I receive a call from the buyer, and she wanted to come and view my car, and I invited her as well. So she came, she viewed my car, and she said that she bring money with me and she is not going home without a car, and she is going to buy it. And she bought a car the same price I wrote in my book, and she just pay me cash and the same amount of price I wrote. So that was my little manifestation about selling the car. I have done quite a few interesting things, and I will make their video possibly a little bit later on. And one thing that was quite interesting, I asked universe a sign that when I started dating my man a few years back. So I was meeting him after I think 2-3 dates. I was thinking, I was just it was a thought pop up in my mind. Universe, give me a sign if this man is really good for me and my children. So I asked for the sign of seeing two birds, two swans, basically 2 white swans. I wanted to see 2 white swans swimming in a nice lake, in a peaceful lake. That's what I wanted to see. Then I forgot about it, and after a few days I was watching one video of Abraham Hicks, and there was a clip of she was talking about, and there was a video clip, and in the video clip there was 2 swans and swimming on in a nice lake. Then I thought, oh, possibly it's just a coincidence, and it came in my mind that I was looking for. Then I ignored it. I said, no, I won't. Then I asked universe. I said, I want proper sign. I wanted to see it again. So then I left it. I didn't believe the one I saw first on a YouTube video. Then after a week, I gone to see one of my friend, and she said, let's go out. I will show you in a new. She live in a new, in a Windsor, and she said, okay, I will show you a nice lake near our house. Let's go out. So she took me out, and I saw big swan, 2 big swans. So I thought, wow, that is my manifestation. So I wrote down in my book as well. So third tip is number 3, then read your manifestation book. After a month, at least once a month, must read your manifestation book. It will help you to build up your belief and continue going. So sometimes it happens like whatever you're thinking, you do not manifest straight away. Sometimes you manifest something opposite of it. Does not matter. Just keep persistence. Persistence is a key, and then continue with your thoughts. Do not doubt your thinking. So because sometimes we have a strong beliefs behind it, so you need to work on the beliefs and the blocks you have. So if you want to work with me, and sometimes we ourselves, we cannot pick up the beliefs, and when we talk to someone like a coaches, so they help you to pick up your beliefs, so you can change your beliefs. When you change your beliefs, your life started changing, the circumstances start changing. That's what happened. So that was my video today, and just to review these 3 tips again. Daily make a list of few things that you want to see today, and do not go just too much worry about it. If they do not manifest in the same day, it does not matter. Make another list in next day, and when whatever you manifest, write down in a small book. Make a nice separate book, my manifestation books, and write them down. And third one is read them once a month, at least once a month. Read them, or once a week if you can. When you read it once a month, at least my manifestation, oh, I have done this one, I have done this one, and then it build up your belief. Yes, I am good enough to create the things I want. My thoughts create. I am powerful. We are powerful creation. We are powerful creators, and our subconscious mind is so powerful, and it helps us to create wonderful things in our life. That was my video for today, and hope you enjoyed this video. And I love to hear your comments from you, and I have a Facebook group. You can share your success stories on a Facebook group, and I would love to hear your comments, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.